JetBlue 8352, turn right heading 130. JetBlue 8352, turn right heading 140.
JetBlue A352 just picked up a constant message. We got to remain just present heading, and we'll get back to you.
A352, roger. Maintain 4000 and fly present heading. JetBlue 8352, do you fly system?
Not yet. We're just having a little issue with the flaps coming down. We're running the checklist now, so maybe about 5 minutes of delay vectors just to run this checklist, and we'll get back to you.
JetBlue 8352, roger. JetBlue 8352, if it's okay with you, I'm going to box you back around.
Yeah, that's fine, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 8352, turn left heading 310.
310, JetBlue 8352.
And for JetBlue A352, with that SLAT failure, they're requesting 15 right for the minimal crosswind.
JetBlue 8352, stand by. JetBlue 8352, are you declaring emergency? JetBlue 8352, are you declaring an emergency?
Yes, affirmative. JetBlue A352, I'm going to need 15 right.
JetBlue 8352, roger. JetBlue 8352, turn left heading 310, we're going to coordinate 15 right for you.
Thanks, left turn 310, JetBlue A352.
JetBlue 8352, when able, phase full, and fuel remaining in minutes. United 1012, expect extended final for an emergency, going to 15 right.
We'll expect it.
JetBlue A352, 2 souls on board and 2 hours of fuel.
JetBlue 8352, turn left heading 220.
Left 220, JetBlue A352.
JetBlue 8352, you're ready to go in now, right?
Affirmative, JetBlue A352.
JetBlue 8352, when able, phase full, and fuel remaining in minutes.
2 souls on board, it's a repo flight, and 2 hours of fuel.
JetBlue 8352, thank you. JetBlue 8352, what's your final approach speed going to be?
140 knots, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 8352, roger. United 2497, turn right heading 190, intercept the localizer, and can you increase your speed to 210?
Yeah, we can pick it up to 210. We're turning right to 190 to intercept the localizer, United 2497.
2497, thank you, appreciate that. I got an emergency coming out on 15 right, I need to get you in front of them.
We hear that.
2497, report to field insight.
Insight for United 2497.
2497, front and beaming out above 3000, clear visual approach runway 22 left, maintain 210 knots until advised.
Okay, crest in DME at or above 3000, cleared for the or visual 22 left, 210 till advised, United 2497.
28352, turn left, heading 180, intercept the runway 15 right localizer.
Left 180, join the 15 right localizer, JetBlue A352.
JetBlue 8352, roger, 1 mile from Adams, maintain 4000, will establish on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 15 right approach.
Alright, Ford established, cleared ILS 15 right, JetBlue 8352.
JetBlue 8352, 1 mile from Swig, I apologize, cleared ILS runway 15 right approach.
Alright, thanks, that makes more sense. Cleared ILS 15 right, JetBlue 8352.
Blue 8352, maintain 170 knots until Maldi.
170 to Maldi, JetBlue 8352.
2497, thanks for the help. Sonic Boston Tower 128.8.
288, United 2497, good night.
JetBlue 8352, contact Boston Tower 134.05.
3405, JetBlue A352, thanks for your help.
Boston Tower, JetBlue A352, parts the aircraft, 15 right.
JetBlue 8352, Boston Tower, hold crossing runway 15 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 15 right, JetBlue A352.
Yes, sir, Logan Command, emergency aircraft, short final, runway 15 right.